We have a mountain of laundry because we haven't been able to do laundry in
2 weeks.
2.5 weeks because we can't set up our washer and dryer in the basement yet. Ah!
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
For the last defender. And just...
If we don't have laundry and dryer. Because we don't have a dryer and hook up.
Right.
How come it's not hooked up?
Huh?
How come it's not hooked up?
Because we get the basement.
Right. Hey, Cal, remember the pop that we used to get at the...
Open up the door. Be frosty cold inside. You reach in, you grab a glass pop bottle, and you probably scrape your hand on the bottle cap. And you pull it out. I usually got an Orange Crush. It was awesome.
So what are we going to get today? A pineapple push.
Yeah. Don't know what it is.
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
When I was a little kid, like from birth until 12, maybe even older, we had to go to the laundromat. So this is bringing back all kinds of memories. And I'm sure it was tons and tons of work for Mom, but for me, it was like the best day ever. It was like play day, and Mom would save out money so that we could get a soda pop or some penny candy, and then we'd get to play Miss Pac-Man on the one that you'd get to sit down and play Miss Pac-Man. It was so fun.
Oh,
Just love laundry day. But for me, it was always such a fun time.
because
And then
why?
I
Because you're
would,
the baby.
Well, I'm a baby, I guess, yes. But, you know, the signs do not get into the washing machines and things. But I remember there's this one washing machine in my mind that was like the size of, I don't know, it was like this big. It was like that big. And I would crawl into it and it wouldn't shut the thing all the way. And yes, Mom was keeping an eye on me. But I'd close it and I'd pretend I was in a rocket ship. It was so cool. I had
You
such
had
an
to be like
active
3 or 4.
imagination.
Good gosh. Come back. You cannot play spaceship. Is that all of it?
That's it, that one.
Having fun yet?
Feel like
Oh wait, there's a pole on your face.
have sweat dripping down my face. I should take off the coat, don't you think?
You're looking like a mama. You did what?
I'm gonna take him both.
Tell me.
Take the shirt, fold it.
No, tell me from the beginning.
I'm
Start over.
gonna go close with you, and I'm gonna put the shirt the bottom, and then the top, and then I'm gonna fold it back, and then
Where you learn
at the workshop.
that? Nice.
Every time you need me, I'm telling you I'm here to stay.
I'm tired now. And red. I'm hot. Well, we got so caught up in getting all the clothes folded and put away into baskets and bags that we totally forgot to film that part. But we did finish and we got it all packed up and headed right on home.